Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to add blog posts to your Wix website step by step. If you've been wanting to share your stories, tips, or updates right on your site, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a Wix blog and start publishing posts with confidence, even if you've never done it before. So let's jump straight into it. First up, you'll need to go to your Wix website. That means signing into your Wix account and heading over to the Wix editor for the site you want to work on. The editor is where all the magic happens. I recommend making sure you're on the site you mean to update, because Wix lets you manage multiple sites. If you're seeing your homepage or landing page on the screen, you're definitely in the right spot. Now let's move on to adding the blog section itself. You'll want to select Add Elements, which is usually located as a little plus icon on the left sidebar. This is your gateway to all kinds of features and sections you can add, whether that's images, buttons, or in our case today, a blog. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this menu. It's where you'll personalize your site down the road. When you find Add Elements, click on it, and you'll be presented with a variety of options. Next, go ahead and find and click on Blog within the Add Elements menu. Sometimes it's listed under More or Apps, so if you don't see it right away, don't worry, just scroll or use the search bar at the top of the panel. Clicking Blog is kind of like telling Wix, hey, I want a dedicated space for my posts and articles. Once you found it, just select it and then hit Add to Site. You might notice Wix takes a second to process. This part might take a few moments, especially if your website is packed with content. So what happens next? By clicking Add to Site, Wix automatically creates a new page or section that's all set up for blogging. Imagine it as adding a blank notebook to your site, ready to be filled with whatever you want to share. Wix gives your blog a starter layout, so even if you're new to web design, you don't have to stress about setting up the structure from scratch. They handle menus and navigation for you, making sure your visitors can easily find your blog from anywhere on your site. Now for the fun part, editing your blog. With the blog section in place, you'll see options to start writing your first post, customize the layout, or adjust your settings. I always suggest taking a moment to look around at the editing tools available. You can choose different themes, font styles, and images to match your site's vibe. If you want your blog to look professional or more relaxed, Wix has options for both. Don't worry if you're not sure about everything right away, you can always come back and tweak your posts or layout as you go. Consistency is key for engaging your readers, but there's always room for updates and improvements. So there you have it, adding a blog to your Wix website is really that straightforward. Don't let the process intimidate you. With these steps, you'll be ready to share your voice and connect with your audience in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and if you have any questions or issues, just drop them in the comments. I always check and respond when I can. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more easy-to-follow web tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.